Introduction to insect protein.
Insect protein is gaining popularity as a sustainable alternative to traditional animal protein. Insects, like crickets and mealworms, are high in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Producing insect protein requires less land, water, and energy compared to livestock farming, making it an eco-friendly choice. Let's explore how insects are farmed and transformed into protein ingredients for human consumption.
Farming edible insects.
Insects for food are reared in controlled farming environments. Common species include crickets, mealworms, and black soldier fly larvae. They are raised indoors in stacked trays where temperature, humidity, and nutrition are carefully managed. These insects feed on clean, plant-based food sources. Farming in this way ensures high growth rates, minimal environmental impact, and consistent quality.
Harvesting and cleaning.
After reaching maturity, the insects are harvested. They are then thoroughly cleaned using water to remove any dirt or waste. This step is crucial for food safety. Some farms also briefly blanch insects in hot water, which kills germs and helps maintain product quality. Every stage follows strict hygiene and safety guidelines to ensure the insects are safe to eat.
Processing into protein powder.
Cleaned insects are typically dried using ovens, freeze-drying, or dehydrators. This process removes moisture, preserves nutrients, and extends shelf life. The dried insects are then milled into a fine powder. This insect protein powder is neutral in flavor and easy to add to other foods, like protein bars, pasta, or baked goods. It offers a complete protein source similar to meat or dairy.
Final products and uses.
The finished insect protein is used in a wide range of products, including protein powders, snack bars, cookies, and meat substitutes. Some companies also produce whole roasted insects for snacking. Food-grade standards are carefully followed throughout the process. Insect protein offers a nutritious, environmentally friendly ingredient that is growing in popularity around the world.